Hi, I'm Susie Mitchell from Study Solutions. Today I don't have a learning tip for you, but more of a message to the moms or the parents or really anyone out there. So recently at our church service and also in the books I've been reading, the current theme in my life has been studying about healing, right? Well, a very long time ago, maybe not that long, maybe 12 years ago, I got in a terrible car accident where I broke my collarbone. And I don't know if you can see here, but it almost looks like the bone pokes out. And it's pretty much healed to where I can use my arm. And the only time I feel pain is when I overdo it, right? If I'm reaching up over my head, scrubbing something up high for longer than 10 minutes, if I overdo it, with spring cleaning, if I've just been carrying something a lot up and down stairs, things of that sort, that's when it starts to hurt and I get some pain and then I have to take a few days to rest. And I said, Lord, why haven't you completely healed me from this? I believe that you can if you want to. And the Lord reminded me that while I was racing towards that telephone pole, the word that he told me was slow down. Not literally slow down, but you are rushing all the time, and my word to you is to slow down. So that's what I heard from the Lord before the impact, right? And he said, my word is still true. I'm trying to tell you to slow down. I have healed you, and you continue to need this inner healing to be reminded to rest. So I just want to encourage you guys that the Lord is reminding me to rest and to take that rest in him. So I hope that you guys do the same, especially as we are getting ready for the school year. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.